The frustrating truth about AI models that no one talks about. AI is supposed to make life easier, but does it really? You sign up for an AI tool expecting instant, intelligent answers, but instead you find yourself stuck in an endless loop, typing, rewriting, tweaking prompts just to get something that makes sense. And no matter how much you refine your prompts, the AI still misses the mark, gives irrelevant responses, or just doesn't get it. You waste more time fixing AI than actually using it. In fact, studies show that AI users waste up to 40% of their time rewriting prompts, tweaking responses, and still getting inaccurate results. And it's not just you. Millions of users are struggling with the limitations of text-based AI models like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and DeepSeek. These models promise efficiency, but instead they leave you feeling frustrated, drained, and behind schedule. Does this sound familiar? Tired of robotic text-based AI that lacks real human interaction? Frustrated with slow, inaccurate responses that waste your time in AI prompting? Stuck with AI models that require endless adjustments just to perform a simple task? Annoyed with AI subscriptions charging $20 to $200 a month but still failing to deliver accurate results? The truth is, AI should work for you, not make you work harder. No wonder 82% of users prefer an AI model that talks like a human over text-based chatbots. People want real interaction with AI, where they can talk face-to-face and get 10 times faster, 10 times more accurate responses in real time. Users are looking for an AI assistant that can do any task in minutes, not hours. The problem is, existing AI models like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and DeepSeek don't offer this level of live interactivity, accuracy, or speed. Wouldn't it be amazing if AI could just listen to you, see you, and respond like a real human? Introducing Live AI, the future of AI communication. The world's first video conversational AI that listens, speaks, and responds like a real human. Acts as your personal assistant and completes any business task in under 60 seconds. No more typing. No more prompt tweaking, no more robotic answers. Live AI is 10 times faster, 10 times more accurate, and 10 times more engaging than any AI model available today. With Live AI, you can talk to AI through real-time video calls. Just speak, and AI listens, understands, and responds. No typing, no waiting, just instant, lifelike video conversations. Get personalized, accurate responses that adapt to your needs. Use it for business, learning, personal assistance, coaching, and more. Imagine an AI that listens, thinks, and responds just like a human. Using Live AI is as simple as 1, 2, 3. Step 1, log into Live AI and access your AI instantly. Step 2, select your AI assistant. Choose from lifelike AI personalities tailored to your needs. Step 3, start talking. No prompts, no waiting, just talk and AI responds. That's it. No complicated setup, no technical skills needed. With Live AI in your arsenal, you can get things done faster and smarter. Talk face-to-face with AI and easily create courses, get business advice, plan marketing campaigns, generate social media content, write blogs, plan trips, book appointments, get relationship tips, and accomplish any task instantly just by talking to Live AI. Live AI is packed with game-changing features. Talk face-to-face with AI and accomplish any task in seconds, whether it's business, learning, personal assistance, or productivity. Real-time AI video calls. Speak naturally with AI through live video interactions. Lifelike AI personalities. Choose an AI assistant that fits your needs. Instant responses. Get 10 times faster and 10 times more accurate answers. No typing required. Multi-language support. Communicate seamlessly in multiple languages. 24/7 availability. AI is always online, ready to assist you anytime. AI-powered smart memory. Remembers past interactions for personalized responses. Adaptive learning. AI gets smarter the more you use it. Emotion and tone recognition. AI detects emotions and responds accordingly. Secure and private AI conversations. Fully encrypted for total privacy. Instant task execution. Automate tasks like scheduling, research, and reminders. Built-in commercial license. Monetize live AI and sell AI-assisted services. With live AI, you don't just chat with AI, you experience it. Now imagine the limitless possibilities of what you can achieve with this powerful AI assistant at your fingertips. Live AI is a must-have for entrepreneurs and business owners. Automate workflows, get expert insights, and optimize productivity. Coaches, trainers, and educators create courses, teach with AI-powered coaching, and enhanced training programs. Content creators and marketers generate blog posts, ad copy, and social media content instantly. Students and professionals get real-time tutoring, research assistance, and productivity support. No matter what you do, live AI makes life easier, faster, and smarter. Wait, here's the best part. If you act now, you'll get fast action bonuses worth $4,997 absolutely free. Our bonuses will help you get more out of live AI and put your business in the fast lanes of success. You must be wondering how much it'll cost to grab live AI. On any regular day, a revolutionary AI tool like this would easily cost over $10,000. But today you're in luck. You can grab live AI and all the exclusive bonuses for a low one-time price. But you need to act fast because this exclusive one-time deal is expiring soon. If you miss this deal today, you'll be forced to pay expensive monthly fees like other AI models. If you wait too long, you'll be stuck with outdated AI tools while others move ahead. So what are you waiting for? Click the button below and get live AI now before the price goes up.